Hi guys, this is Jeremy Rock coming from Profit Dash. This is my review of the Six Figure Partner Program. Want to make sure this program is actually making money? Let's check it out.
All right, hi guys. Let's get right into the six-figure review. I just purchased this program and I've been going through the course step by step. It has a ton of information. I think it's really awesome because it gives you step-by-step instructions to basically build what you see in front of you. My business, Profit Dash, Work Less, Earn More, Achieve Financial Freedom, on YouTube, public for everyone to see. This is how I can generate traffic and be able to bring people in and understand that they can do it too. So this program teaches you how to do this as well as a host of other free traffic strategies to bring customers in, and I'll show you the course in just a moment that I pulled it from. So of course you buy into the program. They make sure to see if you're a good fit, and once you're in, then you'll get into this high ticket affiliate accelerator course. And then this is where it outlines all the different modules. I call them modules. They're drop down menus that have video by video, step by step on how you can build what you just saw here. Okay. Use this to build this. and And not only that, it teaches you how to create an email funnel. There's probably a number of programs out there to do so, but Kartra is one of them. And that email funnel allows everyone that visits my site, clicks on my video, and wants to opt in to the Six Figure Affiliate Program or other email funnels, other streams of income that I have, to allows those people to get funneled in so I can see them basically in my name, and then I can be able to broadcast my journey with them to show them what a comfortable, well outlined step-by-step process it can be for them as well. People are doing fantastic with this. So Six Figure Partner Program review. Here's someone that's done really good with this, and it's just a copy and paste after this paid ad goes by. Here we go. So this is her site, just like mine, where she does different reviews on things and has generated 6.97 thousand subscribers. It's huge. Definitely making money, and even probably monetizing her channel. And then if I do another fella, let's see, this gentleman, he's been making good money at it, and it even shows here, if I pause it, look at that, he's got 1,900 visitors, 12 sales out of that, and already reached a revenue of $12,000. And so he started this just at the beginning of the year and continuing to make sales on it. So a little brief review on it. I'm gonna go back to my channel here, and what you can see here is I got a number of videos that I'm generating about mindset and again, different streams of income, reviews on those different streams of income. So check it out. I hope this gives you some brief outline in it, but you'll see a link at the bottom of the page that you can click on to see if this is a good fit for you, and which I hope it is, because it can really expand to sky's the limit with you. You don't just have to stick with the six-figure partner program with it. You can expand out, and Joshua Elder does give you a lot of different tools to be able to go into all different types of venues with it. But this is the groundwork that you need to do. and that's the important part. This is the work that you have to put into it, and he gives you all the different software and link ups. If I go to a new tab, here's all the different softwares I use, generating my business. So I mean, huge amount of tools that he offers to get you started and get you going with it. All right. If you have any questions or comments, please send them in the video below. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe. I'm going to do future reviews down the road, and then we'll go from there. All right, take it easy.